friends, welcome back to Hiya's Food Palace. I'm gonna show you how to make mango mousse. I'll tell you what are the ingredients. We need mango puree, sugar and cream. Firstly, pour the cream into an empty bowl. Then beat the cream slowly until it becomes stiff. Now take the mango puree in a mixing bowl. Add sugar and mix them. I think Hiya wants to eat all the cream. Now, mix the whipped cream and mango puree together. Now, take an empty serving cup and add a little puree in the bottom. Now add the mango mousse to the cup. And decorate with a little puree on top. And keep in the freezer for 30 minutes. Now, the mango mousse is ready. And this is a very simple recipe. You can try at your home. Please subscribe my channel and like my videos. And thank you for watching my videos.